In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Smartsheet ID. Whether you're new to Smartsheet or just need a little refresher, this step-by-step guide will ensure you can easily locate your Smartsheet ID. Now let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to your Smartsheet workspace or homepage. This is your launching point in the Smartsheet ecosystem. If you're not already logged in, make sure to enter your credentials to access your workspace. Once there, you should see a list of your sheets and other resources. This hub is where you manage projects and plan your tasks, so becoming comfortable with this space is crucial for effective use of Smartsheet. Next, select and open the specific sheet you're interested in. Finding the right sheet is essential because each one has a unique ID, making this step important. If you're managing multiple projects, the search bar at the top can be handy to quickly find the sheet by name. Once the sheet is loaded, the third step is to click on File in the upper left-hand corner of your screen. This area serves as the main menu for various sheet settings and options. Clicking File will present a drop-down menu with several choices. You'll want to select Properties from this list. The Properties menu provides detailed information about your sheet and can be beneficial for understanding various aspects of your project setup. Now to the final step. Within the Properties section, look for the part that says Sheet ID. This is the unique identifier for your sheet within Smartsheet. It's usually located prominently, as it's often needed for integrations and other advanced functionalities. Write it down or copy it for your records, or use it directly where needed. It's that simple. Just remember to keep this ID handy if you're sharing information with colleagues or integrating with other tools, because it serves as the key reference to this particular sheet. And there you have it. Finding your Smartsheet ID is quite straightforward once you know where to look. This ability can streamline many processes from API integrations to receiving support. If you follow these steps, you should have no trouble at all. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more Smartsheet tips and tricks.